Hey you guys, this is Chrissy Conda here for you guys that are new, and for you guys that have been here, what's up? So this is a reset routine. I'm just taking you guys with me to go run some errands and clean up. And yeah, as you can see, my life is in shambles and we're getting it together. And yeah, so if you guys like these kinds of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And just keep on watching.
Read him up. So me I say yo J Mali. Read him up. Read him up. Read him up. So me I say yo J Mali. Read him up. Read him up. Read him up. So me I say yo J Mali. Read him up.
So I just went and put my stuff in the dryer. You guys had just seen me put them in the wash. I'm about to go to the car wash and just clean up the inside of my car a bit. Let me set y'all up somewhere safe. Y'all want to come with me to fold? I don't really feel like folding on camera right now. Like, I honestly don't. It's not even that busy in there. There's not too many people in there. Like, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it just to give y'all some motivation to fold y'all laundry after it's out the dryer. So that's just what we're gonna do. So come on, let's go.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hi, can I order for pickup?
Yeah, of course. What can I get you?
Can I get the classic pineapple mango with vanilla protein and no coconut?
Whey or plain?
Whey.
Whey. You said vanilla whey, no coconut, mango, pineapple. Anything else?
No, that's all. Alrighty, let's head over there. I was gonna drive with y'all, but I'm not. First of all, the pool upstairs is lit. They having a dance party. They're doing like a battle. I basically got back home and I ate my smoothie bowl. My smoothie bowl empty. Actually, it's right over there. Let me not even lie to y'all. Let me not even lie. And as y'all could see, it's finito. But this is just a break right now. I'm taking a break, y'all. I'm taking a break, so yeah. But now I'm gonna go make my burgers. I seasoned them already. They just need to get cooked. So I'm gonna have a burger. Today was a really long day. I left my laundry in the car because I had to park a little far from my house and I was already carrying a lot of stuff in here, so I was like, let's just leave that for another time. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like these kind of videos. I see we're growing slowly but surely, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Laters.